Welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create photo collage on Facebook Story. It's a simple process, so let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, go to Create Story. Now from the gallery, select the photos that you want to upload in your Facebook Story as a collage. In order to make a collage, tap on Select Multiple option. Then select the photos. Let's select these 3 photos, then tap on Next. Now select the photo collage option. As you can see, the 3 photos have been uploaded. Now you can play around with these options. You can tap on specific pictures to change their style, like this. In this way, you can easily add photos to your Facebook story in the form of collage. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.